How come it always goes straight up when you fly it?
I do it.
Oh, okay.
But see, you do it different than the battery roll?
How high do you think that is?
That's really high.
Like over 100 feet?
Oh yeah, that's probably like 500 feet.
Is that about how high airplanes fly?
No, that's like higher.
Really? And if you see a bird, can you chase it?
What?
The next time you see a bird, can you chase it with it? Well, make a bird come out. I think it's gonna crash.
I would love to see it crash, but I'm not hoping it crashes. But that would just look kind of cool, like bombs go everywhere, you know, fire and everything. Like a tree catches on fire and you guys run. Look at that barrel roll. See, I am a professional flyer. I know what that is.
Fly it really close to the ground.
And then, like, make you swoop up and go, like, 500,000 feet.
Well, it's just staying right where it is.
It's like a helicopter. How long have you been interested in these things?
Like 8 years.
8 years?
80 years?
How old are you? Have you ever had a sip of alcohol?
Of course, man. So no question than that. I've had a sip of alcohol since like 15.
How old are you? Like 20 to 70?
20.
He's 20.
I'm gonna turn you into the police.
Are you a virgin? Oh, are you? Do you and your girlfriend do it? No. Okay. Way to treat a girl right. I agree. You should.
You're a good boy.
Holy crap!
You should land it.
You should, like, land it really close and then take off again. That would be cooler than what you're doing now. You know what I mean?
Uh-oh. Oh, I thought it was out of battery.
I'm gonna go buy one of these. I have $500. So I'm gonna go buy one of these.
Do you guys fly these like every day?
Aren't you gonna go watch the Super Bowl? Who do you wanna
Maybe. What?
He likes the
You don't like Super Bowl?
There's planes in the Super Bowl. They fly over.
Why don't you like the Super Bowl? Why soccer?
Are you kidding me?
You don't think football's a sport?
Name one person who's gotten hurt in soccer.
Let's go run and play some soccer. Do you think golf's a sport? Really, what? What is that supposed to mean? I play basketball. I don't care. So you think Tiger Woods is fat?
Holy
Oh my
Oh my gosh, you think my dad's fat?
You think Tiger Woods isn't strong?
He's just a slob.
Hey, you should do that again. Fly it really close to the ground.
Oh, dude, no, don't.
I'll put it on YouTube.
Do you have a cell phone? Okay, sorry.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Is your cell phone shaped like a plane? Does that mean it's almost out of battery?
Are you landing it? Uh-oh. Should I move?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Number 21. What's that bottle?
I have to say, if I was on that plane, I'd be pretty scared landing like that.
Nice try.